So last July 28, 2022, the bill seeking the permanent validity of civil registry documents such as the certificate of live birth, certificate of marriage, and death certificate has lapsed into law. So under this new law, which is the Republic Act 11909, or the Permanent Validity of the Certificate of Live Birth, Death, and Marriage Act, covers live birth, death, and marriage certificates issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority, its predecessor, the National Statistics Office, and the local civil registry offices. So this law would spare Filipinos from the additional expense and the inconvenience of getting new copies of their civil registry documents. Clients are requesting from our office a copy of their PSA birth certificate, marriage, and that because other institutions are not accepting the NSO copy, which is the predecessor of the PSA. So with this new law, even the copies issued before by NSO are valid. To verify the authenticity, if we are not sure if the document presented by the person is authentic, PSA is already launching right now the CRS ITP2. It's already ongoing. With the new with the CRS ITP2, the civil registry documents will now have a QR code at the bottom. So it will have a QR code at the bottom of the document, wherein there's also an application that will be launched by PSA that you just have to scan the QR code and it will tell you if the document is authentic. A punishment of 1 to 6 months imprisonment or a fine of not less than 5,000 but not more than 10,000, or both at the discretion of the court, shall be rendered to any person who will be found guilty of violating the RA 11909.